here. One for light, one for light, one for a water meter. She only had one GFCI, so what I'm doing now is hooking up a second box, so these wires can come into this box, boop, and then this meter can go into the bottom one. So I'm now rewiring this up now, and I've already connected the one box together with a little bit of offset and into a all outside rated box, which is all this here. Got the one that you click together and then mount it up, and it matches up like that. So perfect. So let's finish the wiring till I can get the power back on, and then the last thing we'll do is go ahead and remount the everything to this very crooked little thing here, table, whatever it is, and then mount these up with the Tapcon. So let's get ready to do that next. All right, so now we are, see, we're putting the box in now, and it's just getting that installed with the screws, putting them in where they go, lining them up. All right. Whoops. Okay. Might be out of them. Alright, so looking good. Get this mounted. We're going to put these two boxes on, then we'll mount the whole thing down and mount those. We'll be done. Alright, so we got the cords in the box, and now we just got to mount everything down to the concrete. So that's what we're getting ready to do with our Tapcon. Tapcon drill bit, concrete drill bit, and these 3/16, 1 1/4. Got our hammer drill on, ready to go. All right, there we go. So we got everything mounted back up. I moved all that over to this side like that, and then made a double gang box here, so that way this power stays on to keep this here on. As you can see, it stays on, and this is controlled by the switch here. So you switch it on, and you see the lights come on, so that's real nice. And then when you want to turn it off, you just hit the switch like so, pop, lights go out, and you just click it back into place. And that's the best way to have done that, instead of trying to get 3 cords, and before you just was using the connectors all outside of the boxes, so it wasn't really getting making the stuff pop, because it was getting wet and not well insulated. So that's much better. All right, so that solved that problem.